I spent 3 days doing absolutely nothing. And then the next 4 days studying 5 hours every day. And honestly, I didn't expect this big of a difference. Lately, I've been really inconsistent. Like some days I do nothing. And then randomly I try to fix everything in one day. So I thought, okay, let me actually test this. What happens if I literally do nothing? Versus when I actually try? So for the first 3 days, I didn't study at all. And yeah, at first it felt good. No pressure, no stress, just chilling. But by day 2, I don't know, something felt off. I started feeling guilty. Like I knew I was wasting time, but still couldn't start. And by day 3, I had zero energy, zero focus. And somehow I felt even worse than before. So after that, I switched. For the next 4 days, I forced myself to study 5 hours daily. Not perfectly, just showing up. Day 4 was honestly hard. I couldn't focus properly. Kept getting distracted every few minutes. Day 5 got a little better. I still didn't feel like studying. But I showed up anyway. Day 6, something changed. I didn't need motivation anymore. It just felt normal. And by day 7, studying didn't feel like a task anymore. And this is what surprised me the most. When I was doing nothing, I felt lazy, guilty, and tired. But when I was studying 5 hours, I actually felt more in control and less stressed. I always thought doing nothing would help me relax. But it didn't. It just made everything worse. I think the real problem isn't that we can't study. It's that we're stuck between doing nothing and trying to do everything at once. And yeah, consistency isn't about motivation. It's just about showing up, even when you don't feel like it. If you relate to this, just like the video, maybe share it with a friend. And yeah, subscribe if you want to see more of this.